Have you ever found yourself scrambling to meet a deadline, only to realize you've forgotten to pay an important bill? We've all been there. And when it comes to managing your business finances, timely payments are crucial. Today, we're going to dive into how to make a payment on Tide, a popular online banking platform designed specifically for small businesses. Understanding Tide payments. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify what exactly Tide payments are. Essentially, Tide provides a convenient and secure way to transfer funds between your business account and other accounts, whether it's paying suppliers, employees, or even personal expenses. Think of it as your digital wallet for business transactions. Methods of payment on Tide. Now, let's explore the different methods you can use to make payments on Tide. Direct bank transfer. This is the most traditional method. You simply input the recipient's bank details, the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. It's a straightforward process that's ideal for larger payments or when you need to provide a proof of payment. Faster payments. If you need a quicker transfer, Tide offers faster payments. This service allows you to send funds instantly to other UK bank accounts. It's perfect for urgent payments or when you need to settle invoices promptly. Standing orders. For recurring payments, like monthly rent or utility bills, setting up a standing order on Tide is a great time saver. You can schedule the payment to be made automatically on a specific date each month. Direct debits. If you prefer to have payments automatically deducted from your Tide account, you can set up direct debits. This is commonly used for subscriptions, insurance premiums, and other recurring expenses. Step-by-step guide, making a payment on Tide. Now that you know the different methods, let's walk through a step-by-step guide on how to make a payment using the direct bank transfer method. Log into your Tide account. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Select Direct Bank Transfer. Enter the recipient's bank details, including the account number, sort code, and name. Input the amount you want to transfer. Add a reference or description, optional. Review the details and confirm the payment. Additional tips for Tide payments. To make the most of Tide payments, consider these additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when making payments. Ensure you're using a secure internet connection and avoid sharing your login credentials with anyone. Check fees. While Tide generally offers competitive rates, it's always a good idea to check for any associated fees, especially for international transfers or certain payment methods. Utilize mobile app. The Tide mobile app provides a convenient way to make payments on the go. Download it and explore its features for added convenience. Contact Tide support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Tide's customer support. They're there to assist you and resolve any problems. Making payments on Tide is a simple and efficient process that can streamline your business finances. By understanding the different methods and following the step-by-step guide, you can confidently manage your payments and focus on growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.